Did you know that the economic impact caused by the COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in about 23.8 million primary students dropping out of school? This brings about the problem of children missing out on their primary education, and thus they adapt to remote learning methods. Learning Champs, an online education platform, is here to address this gap with English classes conducted through Zoom. Let's look at the step-by-step guide to using Zoom. First, let's download the app. Go to your App Store if you have an iOS device or the Play Store if you have an Android device, and download the Zoom application. Or you can go to the link www.zoom.us/download. When your download is over, you will see a window pop up. Click on the blue button that says Join a Meeting. You will then be directed to a window like this. Enter the meeting ID along with the child's name and click Join. Enter the password if available and click on Join Meeting. You can also join the meeting through the link provided. When you are logged into the session, a window will pop up asking you to join with computer audio. Click it. You'll be muted upon entry by default. Please note that during the class, if your child has something to say or ask, use the Raise Hand option available on Zoom. To locate it, look at the bottom of your Zoom window. It shows an option called Participants. When you click that, a panel will appear on the right side of your Zoom window. There, you will see the Raise Hand option. When you click it, the teacher will unmute you so that you can talk. Please note that you will get a message asking you to unmute yourself by the host. To do so, you need to click the blue button that says Unmute. Lastly, you can also switch on your video. Similar to finding the option for participants, you can look at the bottom left of your Zoom window and find an option called Start Video. Once you click it, you'll be seen on the screen. It is compulsory to have the video switched on during the class. That is all for the instructions. In the meantime, we would also like you to keep these points in mind. Please join at least 10 minutes earlier than the start time of the class in order to make sure that everything is settled. Make sure that your child is sitting in a place with a quiet background and good light so that we can see their face clearly. Please also have the materials provided ready when you attend the session. It would be great if you could sit with your child during the session. Thank you. Happy learning. www.learningchamps.com. Learning Champs, where kids learn while playing.